In critical or dangerous situations, people often get a strange, queasy feeling. Children in particular have a good feeling for people or situations where something is wrong. It is necessary to encourage children to trust their feelings and intuition and to avoid such people or situations. Children should be encouraged, even if they might offend others by their behaviour. It is better to follow one's own instincts, to be prudent and careful and get away, than to suffer worse things. When this gut instinct is brought up with children, they know exactly what it means. Then it is only necessary to support them to trust their intuition and deduce corresponding activities. Even if children overreact in a situation, they must never be laughed at.